when I started practicing Tantra, I got very, very horny. So, because I also learned to orgasm in much deeper ways. So I think for guys, maybe one thing to keep in mind is, I know some guys and women think it's like really nice to come together, you know, that the guy has, you know, ejaculates, that she's coming or whatever. But when I'm having tantric orgasms, they're not just a one-off thing. They just last as long as the guy, you know, can as long as his stamina can hold. So that means I can orgasm for 20 minutes if the guy is like keeps going. So yeah, in that sense, I never want the guy to come, because that always means it's game over.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Yeah, and the horniness just, you know, keeps building up more and more. So also for a guy, fucking, you know, my pussy, if he has no tantric experience from before, it might be, you know, when I'm starting to get into an orgasm, very, very horny. So maybe you can only last, you know, without getting too close for a few seconds, and you know, that's okay. Then you have to take a break, and I will continue to be really horny and really enjoy myself, and again, you know, we can do something else during that time, and then you can fuck me again, and it will be even, you know, easier for me to go back into that kind of orgasm. It's like it's still going on in some way.